How to knit M1PL. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today's video is all about knitting M1PL. Make one purl left is a left leaning knitting increase for the wrong side. You create it by knitting into the strand between two stitches. Let's show you how to knit it. So here on the wrong side, you need to pick up the strand between two stitches from the front and lift it back to your left needle. The resulting extra loop should lean towards the left. It's called make one purl left after all. And now you need to insert your right needle into that extra loop from behind, so through the back loop. Wrap the yarn around counterclockwise, pull through, and drop the stitch off the needles. Let's do it one more time. I'm going to purl one stitch here. It's not part of the make one purl left. Again, pick up the loop so it leans towards the left. And now insert your knitting needles into the back loop. Wrap the yarn around counterclockwise. Pull through. There is your make one purl left. Let's do it one more time. So, pick up, insert, wrap, pull through. Let's do it a couple of more times in slow motion. Just one little tip. Sometimes it can be very hard to insert your knitting needles into the back loop. So I recommend sharp knitting needles and knitting super close to the tip so it's easier to insert your needles. Anyway, that's how to M1PL. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.